Okay, Vincent's first real food. What is that? Is that good? Is that good? Here. What is that? Yummy food? Yummy food? Vincent, what is that? Mmm. Is that good? Here. Whoops. Good job. Here. Trying to figure out how to use your tongue? Huh? You turned like that. Turn this way. Here, Mama put the food in front of you. There we go. Okay, here. You gotta push it in the back of your mouth. Is that good? Here. Swallow it, silly. Here. You're supposed to put it. Goofball, here. Turn this way. Turn this way. Eat that. Here. What are you doing? Here, Vincy, turn this way. Here. Here. Oh, you're gonna do it yourself? Here. You a little preoccupied here? What are you doing? What? It's good, I know. Okay, here. Here. Turn you this way a little bit so that you're in front of me.